In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix trusted connections not working here on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, one of the most common reasons trusted connections are not working is because both accounts are not verified. You and the person that you want to connect with do need to have verified Roblox accounts now, and if either account is not verified, the trusted connection feature will not work properly. Now, to actually get that QR code, what you're going to want to do is click on this little profile icon up in the top right of your screen, and you're going to see a little QR code option appear right here. Go ahead and select that, and as you can see, this is going to be the QR code. The person that you're going to want to add as a trusted connection will need to scan your QR code directly from their device. As soon as they scan it, they'll be able to add you through the QR method, and the trusted connection will activate automatically between both accounts. If the feature still isn't working for you though, double check that both accounts are verified, make sure both apps are updated to the latest version, try logging out and back into Roblox and restart the app and attempt the QR scan again. It really is as simple as that. Your Roblox trusted connections should now be working properly. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.